Hi guys, today I'm gonna react to EXIN and they have finally uploaded another performance except the title song, and this one is called SABAHA, so performance for SABAHA song. I'm so excited and I cannot wait to see this performance. So let's go guys, and before we start watching, just one more thing what I want to say. If you want to support me, I have my Patreon page, the link you can find down below in my description as always. I appreciate it guys so much. So let's go, let's get crazy in this direction, let's get crazy with EXIN and SABAHA song, SABAHA performance. Fighting!
Is that like Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada? Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother.
Let's go.
수리수리마하수리 수수리
Wow. That was literally a statement. It was so fast, but like they made a statement already. That's a performance. Okay. Girls are giving me chills. Wow. What's the moment? The choreo is good, right? Wow. She's just charming me with her dress. And all of them. Wow. They're so beautiful. Their stylist definitely knows how to serve amazing, excellent impression by their outfits. Okay. Okay, that works. Oh my god. They're serving their rappers. Wow. This is amazing. It looks so good. Okay. But this Korea, Hana, am I right? Hana has made this choreo. Okay. It's just really charming me. Just take all my attention. Take all my attention. Cut. Periods. It just looks so addicting. Wow. Wow. Wow, literally chills all over my body. Wow, that's a performance. That's a real performance. Oh my god, I can't even describe how I am happy that they are now in different company. Just so I can feel the difference between their old performances and this one. Serving you chills. Cause it's so addicting, so catchy. So catchy song. The cameraman also. Okay. Wow, that was so cool. Their psycho laughing. And they have changed their emotions in seconds. So they're good actresses as well. Do I need to say something? Do you need to say something? Like should I even say I don't think so. It's pretty obvious what I think about this performance. Like they improve with every single next performance. Their presence, their performances, their dancing, their dance skills, impression, facial expression, everything. Like literally I can see this potential, their potential to really get more fame, like to become famous. So this is definitely the right way. They have guys. They have went to the right way. Definitely right. So right. Cause I'm impressed. That's what I can say after this performance. I'm so impressed. This is so good performance. Like which literally serve you chills during this performance. It really means if any performance serves you chills, that means this is good performance. This is really good performance, high quality performance. And I'm so happy for them, Wow. Guys, this was my reaction. Thank you for watching, thank you for being with me. If you enjoyed with me, just don't forget to subscribe, push like, write comments below my reaction. You can also push on the bell to don't miss my next reaction, my next video, and see you soon. See ya. Bye bye guys. 안녕하세요. 사랑해요. 안녕하세요.